Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw from Metamask, episode 92 in our series. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more wallet tips and tricks. Metamask is one of the most popular Ethereum wallets out there, and withdrawing your crypto is a breeze once you know the steps. But remember, always handle your digital assets with care to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have Metamask installed on your browser or mobile device and that you have some crypto in your wallet. Let's get started. Open your Metamask extension or app and unlock it with your password. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard. Here, select the network you're working with. Make sure it matches the one your assets are on, like Ethereum mainnet. Next, click on the asset you want to withdraw. For example, if it's ETH or another token, it should show up in your assets list. Now, hit the Send button. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. After that, input the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on the transaction fees, or gas fees, as they can vary based on network congestion. If everything looks good, review the details one last time and hit Confirm. Metamask will prompt you to sign the transaction with your wallet. Once signed, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm it. This usually takes a minute or two. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn from Metamask. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went smoothly. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using hardware wallets for added security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.